This is the final episode of my pudding cup series. In the previous videos, I made vanilla and mocha pudding cups. And today, I'm finally sharing my favorite, these beautiful orange cheesecake cups. This recipe is inspired by my mom's signature layered cheesecake, just reimagined in mini form. It has the same beautiful layers, a creamy plant-based cheesecake filling, topped with a bright, zesty orange pudding. Let's begin with the yeast-based dough. It's naturally sweetened with ripe bananas. Sunflower oil keeps the crust soft and moist, while whole wheat and regular flour create the perfect balance between fiber and light texture. And of course, a pinch of salt. Mix everything well and let the dough rest. Now onto the orange layer. Add chopped dates to a blender together with a teaspoon of orange zest for fresh citrus aroma. Blend with 200 ml of orange juice until smooth. Next, add 1½ tablespoons of cornstarch for structure and a tablespoon of tapioca starch for a silky texture. For that vibrant orange color, add a pinch of turmeric powder. And if you are feeling extra healthy, a dash of black pepper helps boost turmeric absorption. Add some lemon juice to brighten the citrus flavor, a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness, and finally the remaining orange juice. Blend once more, then transfer to a saucepan and cook over medium heat, stirring continuously. At first, the mixture will look thin and lumpy. After a few minutes, it transforms into a smooth, glossy pudding. To prevent a thick layer from forming on top, cover it while cooling. Now for the cheesecake layer, add dates for sweetness, chopped vanilla bean or vanilla extract, lemon juice for freshness, a pinch of salt to enhance flavor, and plain soy yogurt for extra creaminess. Blend until uniform. Then we'll need soaked cashews. You can soak them overnight or do a quick boil for 10 minutes beforehand. Add them in and blend once again. No need to overdo it. A slightly grainy texture gives the filling a more realistic cheesecake feel. To make the cups, roll the dough out thin and cut circles using a cookie cutter. Line a muffin tray with the dough and dog the base with a fork. Bake for about 20 minutes until lightly golden. You'll get these beautiful little cups ready to hold the filling. First, add the creamy cheesecake layer to each cup. Then finish with the bright orange pudding on top. And here they are, creamy, zesty, refreshing, and full of citrus flavor. A little dessert sunshine ready to brighten your day. Enjoy!